Alright, what's up everyone? My name is Dojo Mojo and I make tech videos about tech news. So today I've got some really sweet information. Very sweet, very sweet. So yeah, the Galaxy Fold is planned to be released in September this year. Now this is very big news because for months now we have not gained any information on release date, and now it's not really a release date but more of just a certain time we should be expecting its arrival. So definitely stay tuned for this. So they announced this Thursday morning. It's set to be released on August 26th. So yeah, for quite a while it was in the dark. Nobody really talked about it because of all the problems and stuff. Okay. But yeah, back to Samsung news. So some of the changes include extending the Infinity Flex display. So it's definitely going to be harder for people to remove, and I'm hoping that they also include a warning on the box, like telling people not to remove it, because you know, like if you watch some of the videos that are related to the Samsung Galaxy Fold breaking and stuff, a lot of people will say that it kind of looks like a screen protector, and if you've seen the images, it really does. So hopefully they've included a warning. I really hope Samsung's included a warning. So Samsung, please put a warning, okay? All right, seems like they've also got some additional features. So definitely adding some protective layer to keep dust, debris, and other smaller particles from entering into the hinge, yeah, which is something that The Verge complained of when they got their device. They didn't remove the Infinity Flex display at all. They didn't even touch that part. They just left it for a night, and they said that something got into the hinge and it sort of caused a malfunction with the OLED display. So they should not experience this problem. Nobody should experience this problem with this new and improved Galaxy Fold. And also the space between the hinge and the body is much tighter, so that's also another factor in making the hinge much more protected this time around than when it was first released. So that's definitely a great job on Samsung's part. Another thing I'm wondering is that does the Galaxy Fold still fold 200,000 times or whatever they said? I don't know. It's probably still the same, but maybe something less to worry about this time. So yeah, the price, it's still $2,000. So if you're going for a budget foldable phone, which I don't know if you can do now, it's still pretty expensive, so definitely consider that. But if you're worried about the hinge breaking or the OLED display, you know, basically if you're worried about the phone breaking in general, turning off the next day, your worries have been vanquished, because now Samsung has fixed those, which thankfully they've given us this news update about. So yeah, that's very good. Yeah, this pretty much goes over the problems they had prior to this news update. But I don't know, I'm really excited for the release of this device again. I just hope that no more issues appear. I want this to be the final design, and if they can't pull this off, there's really no future for the foldable phone industry. Huawei's really not doing a great job with their foldable phone. Just look at this. Like, how are you gonna put a case on that? It, like, you've gotta, I mean, you can put a case on it, but come on, you drop that thing, you're paying hundreds of dollars for the display, and you really don't want to do that. Nah. So this isn't a good choice if you're worried about keeping your phone safe and stuff. But in terms of design, it definitely looks better than the Samsung Galaxy Fold, I will say. Definitely looks better. What else? But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you loved it, subscribe for more content on this channel. This is a relatively short video, so you know, don't expect any ads on it. I actually haven't reached 4,000 hours of watch time, so don't expect any ads at all. Also, make sure to check other content on my channel because I do have about 2 other videos about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Yeah, I've covered a lot about it, so you know, hearing about the errors and stuff is old news for me. But yeah, if you love to know more about it, you can definitely check out my channel and view those videos there. Without any further ado, this is Dojo Mojo signing out.